If you were a woman for a day, what would you do?
If I was a woman for a day, I'll probably have summit. You know those summits are fundisa leadership. Nokufunda ukuthula nje.
Oh,
ngingafunda ukuthula for a day.
Because abantu besifazana abathule?
Yeah.
Shucks.
Into uyicabange beyisho. Abone late bengafanele ngikusho.
Do you still have nerves when you are performing for a new material?
Every time I go on stage nje mina, I think I'm one of the most panicking comedians ever.
What is your go-to joke?
It's should I say the joke or just
Yeah.
about, no, it's actually about women. It's funny.
Okay. If you had superpower, bingaba yini lo superpower? What would it be? What do you it be?
To heal the mentality abantu negative, I think.
Okay. Describe a moment you flopped on stage.
It was my second show. Ngisakhumbula namanje.
Usafika nje impela.
100% Zulu DLI. Ngangisanalento ukuthi
because
I did well kwi first one, then ngizovala second one. And nje ngangiyithwele kwangifundisa ubahamba.
Okay. Who is your favorite female SA comedian?
I'd say Tenji and Celeste.
Who is your just one?
Who's our fan? Probably Tenji.
Oh yeah. Mele two yathatha ke manje. Isikhona space esi1 we taking Tenji. All right. Okay. What advice would you give to an upcoming comedian? Just one.
Keep writing.
Keep writing or author, yeah. If you're president for just a day, which 5 comedians would you take uhambe now or be part of your top 6 of the cabinet yakho? Top 6 yaho Ramaphosa
Only
win.
SA.
Well, let's yeah, no, okay, we can mix, it's fine. But just to be spice and nice, only in SA.
Mashabela. Isaac Campo. Fly.
Oh, Fly is coming here.
Felix Sian.
I love Sianda. I love Felix. Who do you prefer? I know you've answered this question, but in certain way, but that who do you prefer? Tenjiwe Comedy versus Don Tandega King. We have one space left in this Taxi Simpiwe. Just one.
Done all the way.
Thank you, Baba.